Hello everyone, I'm Camille. In our previous videos, we've learned many text effects. Today, we're going to show you how to make this type of text animation. Simply follow the tutorial step by step to achieve it. You can also get creative and come up with your own unique ideas. If you're interested, keep on watching. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link for a free download in the description box. Next, click here to create a new text track. Then delete all the text cause we need a transparent track on the timeline for taking screenshots. Then click here to change the background color to white. Now click here to capture a white screenshot. Then we change the background color to black. Let's go back to here and type in the text we want. It's recommended to select letters with clear vertical lines like N, I, M. And use a sans serif font for a better result. Next, adjust the size and position of the text. And remember to remove any shadows. Once we're done, click here to save another screenshot. Next, import both screenshots into VideoProc Vlogger. Then create a few overlay tracks by clicking here. Place the text clip on the main track. Afterward, place the white screenshots on the lower overlay track. Then click on Crop. Crop the image to the proper width. Next, click on Motion. At around 0.5 seconds, create a keyframe. Restore the position of the display area. Then, at around 3 seconds, create another keyframe. Changing the speed mode to speed down. Move the display area upwards until the right side turns completely black. Add one final keyframe at the end. Then click Apply. Adjust the position of the white text to match the thickness of the letters and align it properly. If you find it difficult to adjust in small increments, just go to the Inspector section to find a position. Click here to move in the smallest increments. Let's take a preview. Not bad. Now, let's duplicate the white clip. Paste it to another position where we want to create the effect. Some strokes may have different thickness, so we need to adjust them according to their specific width. Once we have completed the upper part, let's move on to the lower part. Similarly, duplicate this clip. Then select Vertical Flip in the Inspector panel. Adjust the position to align with the strokes below. After completing all adjustments, we can further customize the timing and speed of each part based on the personal preferences. Select the section you want to adjust. Then click on Motion. The first keyframe determines when this part of the animation starts. The distance between the first and the second keyframe determines the speed of the animation. Here, we can create an effect where the animation starts on both sides and ends together. Double-click on the materials on both sides and move the first keyframe forward to around 0.3 seconds. Remember to adjust each one individually. Once adjustments are complete, move the text track to the bottom overlay track. In the inspector panel, find the blending mode and select Lighten. Let's play it back to see the effect. It looks amazing. Alright, that wraps up all the content for this video. Remember to give it a try yourself. If you want to learn more video editing techniques, you can watch on the channel's main page. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can receive video updates right away. See you in the next video. Bye!